Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Right guys, the line, well, good morning, welcome. So everything goes early guys, it's my daughter's birthday, you know, I want to wish her a happy birthday, you know, I want to wish my princess a happy birthday. It's her birthday today. Listen, we stop right now to get things. So we're heading to Ocherios, literally, you know, but look at this line early in the morning to go get food, you know, so early. So this is actually the line to get some patties, because she want patties, so we're going to get some patty for them, you know, while on our journey. But this line is something else, you know. The whole place is busy because, you know, it's the holiday week, you know, so the whole place is busy, you know, so. Okay guys, so we just get some patties. But the line in there was, oh my gosh, you know, so we're just on our journey now. But here's peer traffic on the road because it's holiday, so you know what time that is, peer traffic on the road, so take your on the journey. Well, so I literally just reached now at Mystic Mountain. You know, the traffic is not so bad literally when you come off the toll, but the toll is what caused the traffic because of the line to go and pay, you know, but we're here at Mystic Mountain. Beautiful day. There's no rain. Maybe the rain was falling earlier, but there's definitely no rain now, you know, and so here's the Mystic Mountain. So guys, you know, Mystic Mountain is definitely newly refurbished as well too. So you probably see it on a lot of content creator channels already, but trust me, it's newly refurbished. So this is my first time being here from it's literally refurbished, you know, so we're gonna go on and see what it's like. So you know, it's my Dim Dim birthday, my princess birthday, and you know the thing goes. Man of clocks, man named clocks, man of clocks. He's a man of clocks. And we have Diamante mom is here. Tell us.
Hey.
Okay, Diamante mom is here and Kadeen and the rest of them. So we have Jamie and we have man.
I'm going to take one picture with the Mystic Mountain in the background. Yeah, but sure.
Put it back. Turn it back in the sun.
Here?
Yeah. Then breathe harder like. Then they say,
One.
Then come.
No. Can you
Come
come
here.
to one more?
Take one more. Take one more.
Oh, you mean picture?
Yeah.
I do a video.
Are you want to go over that? Go over there, so?
No, catch this Mystic Mountain. And this.
So here we have Kadeen.
Yeah.
We have Nene. Then a cousin. You know. Say hi to the camera. Diamante. From
Outside with the birthday girl.
Yeah, the birthday girl. So
Yeah.
you want to tell them each and every one up for wishing you a happy birthday.
Thank you. Birthday wishes.
Okay, you're supposed to stop. You're supposed to catch her.
Blow them up and say thank you for the birthday wishes too, and so that we can blow them up.
Thank you for the birthday wishes.
My twin. We are say a while ago. Come and catch your chat, me tell you. We are say a while ago.
So we're outside with the birthday girl, Diamond Tay, the real diamond.
Moments after that and before that.
Well,
I'm just catch you a while ago what you were saying.
I say you and your twin can go on.
Are you sure?
Show off, yeah. Show off the crib.
No, we're not showing off, we're showing on.
Showing on, that's
Guys, we're not showing off, we're showing on, you know, because you know, the twin of the year.
Diamond.
We're rocking the world.
Ready?
So if she not favor me, she favor her nan. Too bad she not have nothing for the mommy. Only the one dim to borrow one. Come here, guys, want to borrow one dim from her and give it to dim. Just the one.
The one.
Just the one. So that we give you back when the time due.
Yeah, watch.
Oh, she have one as well.
2.1 jar, that is it.
Eh.
No side that
No.
So one thing for you.
I have two.
Oh, so nice.
So Diamond tell us to borrow one from her. That's all.
Okay.
So Diamond, when you're ready, you can give it back, okay? Alright, so come. Are you ready?
Mommy.
Yes,
No, but at least we'll take my own this year.
yeah, because you
So
have
guys, so whoa, Mystic Mountain.
more like
Place is nice, no nature vibes. You know, if you like the nature life, you can come here at Mystic Mountain and enjoy the nature. You know, that's what I like about the nature vibes at Mystic Mountain. So green. And you have a little river here. Today is going to be a busy day because it's holiday. My name supposed to be on the list, but they give my name, you know. supposed to handle this? Because I had to give it.
Oh, my name too?
No?
Oh, me have my name on list.
Okay, okay.
So that's why.
No?
What you expect?
No, because one name responds to all.
Oh, so make sure your name responds. Oh, so my name, your name responds to my name too?
No, because what the name them do is like when they come in with one account.
So much I can confirm.
Just account to see how much. Yeah.
Oh, that's what you've been on
Yeah.
the
Of course, you have to go on that.
You have to go up into Mystic Mountain.
Yeah, that's part of the adventure. Too.
That's up
No, that is part of it. You're going in the sky. It's the zip line.
I got to get to the mountain. Allah.
No, but you're gonna go on it. It's all going on it. So.
Someone has been there no problem.
in
And go slow, you take out 10 or long before we
Mommy can
No, make sure say this up in the cars. When me don't laugh, you know, me just put him can video behind too. And then when you're going up, they take a picture. Yeah. I'll put on my glasses.
Mommy, look how I'm already standing because my toes are hurting.
Oh yeah.
Exactly. If I don't have the toenails, it wouldn't be so.
Now go for the shoes and come back.
No, it's okay. I'd rather do this.
I'll go all the way to Kingston for the shoes and come back.
Oh,
Yeah? And she said yes, too, you know. But she said yes. You really don't go so far, Tete?
Wicked.
She said yes, all the way to Kingston and come back. I know we can get a quick drive, what you say?
Yeah. Which one of the shoes though? You have to tell me which one.
We go on Kingston and come back.
the Chanel.
Hey. So not even like, alright, I see you now. We have to go further. You are carrying on, but you don't know where they carry one cross my bag? No, but this can be the strap. Where is
What's this? This.
The bobsled.
This. You're doing this?
Muffin.
You're doing this? This. Just not this. So, just basically everything.
These are complimentary. Are you interested in the ATV?
Yes.
So that package. So if you want to do zip line and zip line as well, so that's $160 for you.
We did it.
So this has the zip line and the ATV. That's the main two things I want to do.
You're gonna need the picture of your driver's license. I'm gonna get the local rate. Are you okay? I'm gonna get the local rate.
So what she get? Local rate she get?
No, can get the local rate.
Why? Welcome to Mystic Mountain, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Wow. The sun is hot, so imagine if there's some big fish. There is some big fish here as well too. Place is nice. You know? I like the way they're doing with the place. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. So guys, so here we go.
No, I just have to the white something.
They said four can go pound one?
You want 4 can fit?
We still have 4. Have 4, yeah. I think they say if you drop it, you can buy it back. Contract, you take out that. Right, Tete?
It's not gonna drop.
It's not gonna drop. So we're going to the Mystic Mountain. Tete, you ready?
It's a bit high.
Be high. Don't be scared.
Next move to the footprint.
To the footprint.
Go ahead, guys. Straight ahead.
From Tete to the footprint. The first one to scream coming off.
I'm not gonna scream.
Say if you don't scream when it's coming off.
Keep on the phone, glass, key, purse, wallet, and let them drop.
Yeah. You hear that? Keeping the phone, nothing to drop because trust me, when you not get it back, you're gonna jump off.
I'll jump down and get it, you know.
None of that. It's so high gone. So now I get some nice view, but please hold the phone tight. Okay, Tete? So there's the next team around there. It's Ty, your mom, and whoops! No, sir. That one there was rough.
Wait, this is high, this is high, this is high.
Yeah, I told you no.
Look at the reaction.
I can see them reaction
Oh my
when it reached them.
And
Watch.
this is not even that safe.
It's safe, man. Watch now. It's like a push them off or tire. Tire reaction will catch. Watch you when you push her now. Watch her.
Oh, there's
Hey, look, no, wow.
Oh my god.
And it's going higher. Yeah, it's going. We're going to the top.
It better not go, it's not going to go fast, is it?
No, it's going to cruise. Cruise control. Please hold on the phone properly. That went to the show, you know.
I'm not doing something like that, you know, you're brave. I'll keep my phone to my chest.
Wow, the view up here is nice, trust me. And it's going higher and higher. Don't you see? See that there's a ship. There's a cruise ship over there. Guys, this view is wonderful. I'm not even lying. Yeah, they're not looking down. Hey.
Wait, the sun is hot.
Yeah, that's one thing. The sun is hot up here. And so when it reach up here, so I get higher. When it reach up more, it's gonna get higher.
Just put my phone right back where it belongs. Wait, let me get that.
This one's getting higher now. We're going to the top. We're going to the top. Look how beautiful Jamaica is. Look at the water. Blue. This wire is some strong wire, you know. This wire is it's how thick it is. It's so thick. Like look much people is carrying. There's a lot of people going up. There's a lot.
Mom's getting scared. She's saying Oh my days, when you look down, oh my gosh.
Hello? Hello?
Put your phones away. Imagine if it just goes down far. What them big ass blocks?
Them black box. Hey, relax. Relax. The bugs, they ain't doing nothing. Look at that water. The water is so clear. You see? Look at the water, nice. It's a private beach.
Stop pointing out this stuff. Oh, it's going higher. Oh my god.
I told you it's going higher. I told you it's going higher.
Why are you holding on like that?
Let's say 10 to 15 minutes.
For what? Why do we need to be up here?
No, sir.
Jamaica have a bobsled
So do we
team.
have to do this coming back?
Yeah. Cool. Well, it's nice, man. It's nice. Trust me. You see, these views are a lifetime. You know. See, there's rafting there. There, man. There's a rafting right there.
Yeah.
You see?
And they're gonna cool my feet.
They do rafting right there. But that's not the official rafting spot, boy. You can see the rafting boat right there as well. To privatize, somebody just capture that. Look at the water. Here's where you get the sun tan.
Look, my legs are about to get tired. How dark they look already.
You need the sun, you need the vitamins like here to get some of that sun. Cause in England you don't get none of this pure cold weather you get. Guys, if you haven't been to Mystic Mountain, you need to.
When you look back, it's scary.
You know, you need to, have this experience. Trust me, it's so nice. You know, it is an adventure. It is an adventure. So.
Man, don't take out your phone.
So thank each and everyone that sending the birthday wishes to my Dim, my Diamond Tay, big girl now. So the next trip she's gonna pay for me. Next trip.
Whoa.
No,
Look back there, look back.
Me nah look back. Me nah look back.
Can it go up? No, it can go up.
Yeah, it's going up more.
No, I'm saying this.
Taya, look behind you now. Look behind you now. Look behind.
I'm so scared.
I'm telling you. I said, oh, you say I come from Spanish Town.
Look how her legs are shorter than the rest. They're so short.
Yeah,
Her legs
even then.
so
So she come from Spanish Town. She don't come from Spanish Town.
We're at the highest now. Oh my god.
When you look down,
Like the level one. We wear kickers or wallabies, but the wallabies are level one.
right, so basically this is a 10 to 15 minutes
There's the lowest you can manage.
up to Mystic,
To be any level.
from here, from where we're coming from. So apparently we're probably gone about 5 minutes. Like we're gone about 10 minutes now. Yeah, so recording length is 10 minutes and 50 seconds. So we'll probably have another 5 minutes to go. 5 minutes. So the bleach, or them more bleach can't come on this unless we have to go fully covered up. Cause the sun, yeah, the sun up here, listen, roasting. Roasting up here, when I lie. Look at how we're going. So if you don't like height, trust me, please don't try it. This is not for who don't like height. Look at the man relax. That's the issue, just relax. Yeah.
I wonder what this rope is.
And somebody said it gets stuck with them.
Man, it's weird.
Why does she shake so?
Oh my god. And this thing, imagine the zip line. Zip line there, I'm going to be swinging through trees and all sorts of animals.
You're gonna be screaming.
Oh my days. Why is it doing that?
I can't remember saying people is coming up. Yeah. Yeah, so that's the reason why I always have to stop. Alright, you see that tree here?
Yeah.
This one is called donkey pee-pee.
It's actually
that's good for your eyes. Yeah? You know them, yeah? So these are what good for your eyes. Yes, see them one? You pick it and just squeeze it in your eye. Very good for your eye. And imagine, you know, people take these and sell them. They sell them to tourists. Very expensive, them sell them as well too. Taya! Some donkey pee-pee for your eye. Pee-pee. And then this.
It'll fix your bad eyes.
Yeah, see there?
Oh, the breeze one now.
Guys, look at this view from here. From where we're coming from.
Right, it's not gonna sometimes go.
You should enjoy like.
Oh, the leg stiff.
Yeah, for one time. You see her. Tire whole body is stiff. And she don't even. She don't even want to move. Come see her.
Not me here.
Another zip line.
Come on. All the way tired. Just conquer with fear. Me conquer it a while ago. No,
Come on, Taya, zip line.
Yeah, my baby.
Come, Taya, after the zip line.
No, I'm not doing it, you know. You going on it?
Of course.
You going on it? Yeah. I'm not doing it. We people and stuff.
Oh, gosh.
What's there? And there. Next to the I don't know where to do it, you know.
It's 3 o'clock.
It's too high.
Mommy, it's not that bad.
Hey, hold on. What is this zip line? It's just one straight.
Yeah.
And that?
Yeah.
But that take too long. No problem. I think.
So what's that about?
Zip line is in 3 o'clock. She make Kadina cry.
No, me a foot. Let her your foot say leave.
Go on. Watch your back.
Go down. 3 o'clock.
Who tell her that?
No, 3 o'clock is zip lining.
Zip line.
Try the one up on first.
What is the 1/4?
Bobsled.
Oh my god, that's so pretty.
Moon Palace. See my room there?
Your room that?
Yeah.
Man, one day over the other end over there, sir.
On the top floor?
No, right below, the one below the top.
Okay, man, like second from the last room on top.
Oh, okay.
On that side, not that building there, that one.
That one there.
Moon Palace. Remember, I went last. Boom. Remember Moon Palace trip with Oliver and Carla? Right over there, there's the Moon Palace.
Yo, come over there. Try get the beach, Papa. Try get the beach. Go on the beach. Janine, don't go over there. Janine, come. Try get the beach. Try to play with it.
Yeah, man, cool, man.
Watch me step on that.
Alright guys, so we're gonna go on the ragamuffin. Getting on the ragamuffin ride right now. So ooh, I got to the muffin, you know, Jamaican style, it's a ragamuffin style. Look, them see the bike them there. Yeah.
Mum, but I told you it's like 4 parts. I thought parts were.
Diamante, you ever done ragamuffin before?
No,
Nah. This is the Jamaican style.
not up here.
This is what you call the Jamaican ragamuffin style.
I done this in like, was it Paris?
Paris. Jamie, your first time here?
Yeah.
Ragamuffin. Follow the rules and you won't get hurt. Right, mankind? Mankind.
There's some ponytails. No ponytails.
It's gonna be swinging.
My penny toes firm. You ain't gotta worry about that.
Ain't gonna worry about that. Real English, British. South London. She's from South. You can hear the South accent.
Okay, come.
Nene, go on, Nene, man.
Because I want him to be back.
Nene.
Hold on. I underestimated this ride.
You know what? Put my mic inside. Yes, Nene.
Oi!
Oi! Tester. It's the tester.
Look at that face.
That Nene face. No, you're going the same way.
This you just have to sit back.
Nene says he's going to lock it. No, he's not going to lock it.
Have you been on this before? Is it scary?
No. Nene.
Where me buy if you want it?
Five. Three. Yeah? You want to check on me?
You what? What did he say?
Swing out to the left and swing out to the right there. Yeah.
Oh gosh. If the little girl can go on it, we're actually fine. Like.
Next door. Go on. That's the tester.
Wait, what do you mean you have to hold it? You don't stay down.
That means you have to hold it. Hold it.
It's not like play like this.
It's gonna close, man. It's gonna close. See you later. See you later. Yeah, I'm good. Come here, man. That mean right already. Guys, you know the thing go. Man!
No man, this one at the end come like I got to organize it. So I'm
Yeah. There she go, there she goes.
Did you guys scream?
Why?
Wait,
No,
I
it's
thought he was gonna touch me.
it's the ladies' cream, not.
Look at our picture, look at my face.
One bill.
Let me see. Watch man face. Yeah. Watch me just enjoy the moment. Just say, yeah, that is how you're doing. Man looks scary.
But when it over the water, it's scary, man.
I photo your body, you know. How much you want here?
$850.
Oh, it's to the email.
Wait.
Jamaica have a bobsled team. So you guys know I'm doing bobsled for Jamaica. Bobsled right now I'm doing for Jamaica. Bobsled. Round there. Whoa. 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 Oh, sir. Jamaica have a bobsled team. Yes. Yeah. Run there. Jamaica have a bobsled team. Kino Life in Jamaica. Starring yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Slows. Eh? Me? Go forward. Let's go on, push forward, yo. Diamante, you okay? Hey, it's fast, but I lie. Just keep it forward. Just keep it forward. Hey, this is fast. Just keep it forward, see man. So Diamante is at the back there. So now we're going up the hill. Look at this steep hill going up. Look at this steep hill. Yeah, well, Diamond take your handle herself, trust me. Is it because she's in the next single ones, because these are the single ones for the adults. You know, she's over 18 now, so big woman, big mama. But look how steep this is. Nasty. I can hear screaming on the next side. This is fast as hell. Yo, see, we really have to give props to the Jamaica bobsled team because this is not something easy. I'm telling you, the speed where this go around this corner with you, yo, it's not normal at all. It's not. A great experience, rolling through the nature. No, not it. Them. Come. Oh.
That was too far.
It's too far. Who was screaming?
Me. I was screaming.
Oh.
Let's look at this one.
Who?
But you know that's here. I'd actually do it again. At first, through the first.
Yeah.
Be getting, oh.
Why do I always have to make these ugly faces?
Because you was scared. Look at Diamond Tay, she was crying, dim.
Look at my face.
Screaming.
You look so serious.
How can you even mean?
Jamie, you're always ready.
What will we know? Zip line? Is that the last one?
I'm pretty sure. What else is there? Huh? Oh,
The journey long.
And through the traffic as well.
Yeah. You see how far that thing is? Yes. Was that ready?
I should about the refund.
Oh.
The refund. So, yes guys, so apparently as you can see the fun kind of ended a bit early, you know, because of a lot of lightning is literally flashing. So one of the time either the bobsled, it's been an hold for, it literally was an hold, you know, because of lightning. So they said all the rides are closed off, so they literally opened back the bobsled, you know, and then after now they close it back because the lightning keep flashing, so couldn't get to do the rest of the rides and that was on our package, you know. So that's what kind of end all of this fun here at Mystic Mountain for now. So the greatest thing what they're going to do, they're going to give us a refund, you know, to get back some money, and then from there now, you know, we give thanks, same way, also appreciate for everything, same way, you know. But there's a lot of rain down here, trust me. The clouds them, and well, Jamaica been getting a lot of rain, you know, overall, so that's what's happening, you know. So yes, so it was a wonderful day, same way, you know. So you know, later on Diamond is gonna end up go to the dinner, you know. We're gonna have our dinner party, you know. We're gonna all go there and eat some food. She's gonna cut her cake and everything, so we're gonna take him to that scene as well too next, so stay tuned. But first we're gonna go to the beach and everything right now. What a step to go down. This is a step to go down.
Go then, no? Let's just buy it now, fit.
Oh, you got the river here. So guys, so apparently we left Mystic Mountain, and then we came down to this beautiful where you see the river meeting the sea, you know, right here. And you know, it's a privatized beach / river, you know, all in one. It's all in one. Hey.
What you said?
Boa.
My place.
Are your place?
Yeah.
Big up my government up man. Can I get peace, right? Can I get peace?
Sure. Which one you want? You want that piece there? Or you want that piece there?
Want to put up a little cottage.
Okay.
Can work?
Yeah, man. Can go over there.
Can put up a little cottage?
Yeah.
Just a little one.
Engineer, so when I'm not severe, just because I want a little piece, I just want a little piece more.
Yeah. Not much, it's a small piece. If one 2x2 is good enough. 2x2.
Tell you you're a ramp, you should have put on your bandsuit and go right there. So. What?
No, I'm not going in there. Just like a walk. Oh, yeah.
Next year. Next year. I don't know what you're talking about, baby. Next year.
Eh?
Please.
What are you doing as a snap?
Yeah.
Oh, so everything you snap you're supposed to in time.
Yeah.
So you're supposed to have about 1,000 snap, right? Post already.
No.
How much? How many?
I don't have that much on. Oh, see, I can't even show you. You have to connect me. Don't show what I have got.
Oh,
To show.
so you don't show you, but you post at least
And look how much
1,000.
birthday messages I have still left to reply to.
All in snap.
Yeah, this is all only Snapchat. So imagine Instagram. Look at that. I have to reply to all of those.
Oh, right.
Exactly.
Well, that's the same thing that you have to go through too. Sometimes I can't get a chance to reply to any.
At least this is all I have up now. Wait, it's not loaded yet.
So,
It didn't load.
it's not loading. It's
Yeah.
connected.
It's connected, but maybe the thing is bad.
Signal.
Yeah.
Birthday looking well spent. Hold up,
Your phone broke.
oh wow. No, like, I'm really
I
tired
said
too.
big up my father and big up my mother for a good birthday. I had a good birthday.
Yeah,
And I
good.
told him that I appreciate everything you done.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yes. I'm grateful.
Oh,
He literally like put everything together for me, guys. So
yeah,
say well done. What do they call you? Chemo?
yeah.
Well done, chemo, father of the year?
No, we're a father of the year already. Me a father of the lifetime.
Father of the lifetime.
Yeah,
I'll do this clapnet tea.
yeah. Father, eh?
Do this clapnet.
What's this?
Clapnet tea.
What?
Clock that tea.
Clock?
Clock that tea.
Clock neck tea?
Clock that tea.
Oh, clock that tea?
Yeah.
What that mean?
Come show them clock that tea properly.
What that mean?
Say clock that tea. Oh wait, the cameras are down. Clock that tea. Clock that tea.
So what that mean?
It
Clock?
just means clock. Yeah. Like period.
It's like you say something and it's like,
Yeah.
No, but that's more like a female thing.
Oh, it is. But I still mean.
It's a female thing. Yo, see them man a do that thing, brother. Peace. So our thing a peace. Yeah, peace. So we're here, guys, with the family, as you see.
So say
You know.
big up my mother, big up my father.
Yes.
Show my mother, my father.
Diamond is she's not colonized.
She's colonized. I'm not colonized.
Oh, my daughter is not colonized. And there's a sister over there and a
She's
cousin.
definitely not colonized. You know she loves the water. She can swim as well. You know.
Oh, Nene?
She can swim. Nene can swim.
Over here we have a man, my name's
Where's
cousin.
Jamie gone?
And we have Kadeen as well too, who is also a family of
Nene, when
Diamond.
she warmed up to the water, she can
She
actually swim.
she can swim good?
Yeah. Every time we go on holiday, she's always swimming. You just have to wait for her to warm up to the water.
And you can't swim again?
No,
You
sir.
can't swim down. You just pose. Yeah, just give her the phone, she pose.
I'm the poser, she's the. She actually gets in. She don't care about her hair. She don't care about nothing.
Diamond is the muddler. That's
Watch
mud.
her and catch her in it when she starts swimming. My mom has good videos of her swimming.
Yeah, big swimmer. Nah. You know, I need to go get my slippers.
Are you gonna go in there?
Yeah. No?
Just dip your feet in.
I'll just take off my shoes.
Where's Jamie?
Yes, guys. So, you know, it's birthday well spent. You know, plus later on, you know, the thing goes already later. You know, big dinner. Aspat, she said now work properly. Ask her, that she said. Diamond, Aspat working? Aspat working? No hotspot. There's only some cool spot around the place. If you want to work with a cool spot. Yeah, I go back and go put on one slippers. I think I have slippers in the car. So Diamond over there with her cousin. You know, they all grew up together. His name is Man. I have Jamie and Jada. You know, so imagine they all grew up together. They got Diamond say mine is stepping our hole. Mine is stepping our hole. Hey, the water cool. Don't go in there, sir.
Huh?
Yeah?
Huh?
I said, don't go in there.
Absolutely no.
probably deep.
Yeah, go on this side. No, it gets warm after a while. You can feel it down after a while.
It get deep.
Yeah, just turn
Then just get a straight look, you know. Then a smile, you know. Then just get a straight look.
Let's tell you.
So this is where the river meet the sea. Beautiful. Alright guys, so let me explain something to you guys that I just got. So explain. So imagine, right, so from right here of the river, okay, you know the river come down and split in between right here. You know, so on this side that I'm standing on right now, this side is literally owned.
Don't I know you?
Eh?
Don't I know you?
You know me?
Yeah, I think I know you.
Me?
YouTube, what's your name?
Kino.
Kino. How are you doing, Kino? What's your life?
Good man, good
I think
man.
I subscribe to you also.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, I've been watching you for a couple of years now. Yeah?
Respect man, respect
You
man.
went to in
Canada
Florida.
and Canada.
Florida with those nurses and stuff. Yeah.
Oh,
I live in Florida. Now.
yeah. Been watching.
Yeah, man. You have done some good work. I've seen the good work you have done.
Yeah, man. Respect, man.
YouTube.
Yeah. You don't mind. You don't mind. Yeah, man. You can big up yourself, man.
I
And,
really enjoy your program, man. I really enjoy it.
and I thank you so much for watching. You know.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate the work you have done and how it's done and all that.
Yeah. I appreciate it,
You're
man.
still doing your thing, eh, man?
Same way,
Keep
man.
doing
Can't stop, man.
Taking care of you, right?
Yeah, man.
Good,
Cool,
good,
man.
good. Nice.
Alright, respect, man. Yeah, enjoying yourself.
Yeah, man. You know what? When you run, when you have to work so hard, you know.
And you have to take a little break now.
Well, trust me, you need a break, but sometimes you don't realize something hard can give out because you're just working, going.
Yeah.
So take a toll on you after a while.
Of course,
So
because
everybody needs to get a break. You know.
it's wear and tear.
So we're on here.
So if you work, you're wearing out the body, tear it up. So if you don't maintain it,
You gotta do.
you know, the man we are saying that we spend so much of our life working so hard, chasing the money, and then we end up realizing we reach a certain age, we're gonna left it also.
No matter what you achieve in life. I mean, whether you achieve a lot or not, you know what I mean? It's nice to have because having you're able to help others.
Maintain yourself, you know.
Maintain yourself and do some things you want to do.
Yeah.
In the reality of things, you're going to leave here.
That is
But
it.
at the same time, you have to be realistic and
Try to, you know,
do everything is right.
yeah, love yourself some more.
Love yourself some more.
Spend some more
Take some
time for yourself.
Every little thing.
Yeah,
Not
that's,
just too much of one thing.
exactly. That's it, man. Because we're here for a little
How
while.
you doing? Are you guys a YouTuber?
That's my daughter, mom. You see there.
Your daughter, mom.
Yeah.
Who's your daughter?
See her out there.
So the senior daughter.
Yeah.
Where name there? From England, right?
Yeah. So that's
Where's mommy? Which mommy?
yes, the mommy there.
Mommy looks so young. How you doing? Nice to meet you.
I tell you.
Me too. I'm telling you. Wow.
The man says he's a subscriber
Which
program.
one is
The one in the green.
Share the one in the green.
Family reunion.
Okay.
So there's a whole bunch of us. It turned out to be a really awesome event.
Oh.
Events. Because tomorrow is the final event. We have one, the first event, we have meet and greet Thursday night.
Okay.
And the last night we have a white party in my cousin's awesome place that I had, man. Awesome place.
So you're part of the organizer over there?
I am actually, that's my family over there. All those people sit there. And some left already, some up top.
Okay, so you're gathering.
That's my gathering. We have a reputation of taking care of people. Feeding, helping, because a lot of people over there, they're not necessarily blood, they are friends of the family. So my family is from St. Anne's Bay, and we have a reputation from our grandparents on to do good to others.
Yeah.
So by seeing what he does, it is a kinship, because it's something that my entire family do.
Yes, sure.
Yeah.
The Irons not play cricket in the family?
You know, the Irons family is a big family now. Some of our family members, we don't really know necessarily, but it's just the Irons. So we don't know necessarily if, you know, who are blood.
Okay.
And it's a possibility we are all a family, so we're using it in the Irons.
Yeah. I know you have some Irons who play cricket as well too.
You know, honestly,
I know one from England.
Big family.
Yeah.
A lot of us came from family. Came from my grandfather. Came from here called Mango Valley.
Okay.
In St. Mary. And then
Mango Valley.
We realized the additional connection within the parish of Center, where people are related to the Irons family. You know.
Okay. Yeah, man. Very interesting, man.
It turned out to be an awesome event. Really awesome event.
Was it the first time doing it?
No, we did it some years ago.
Okay.
And then we had something in South Carolina, where my uncle was living. We did a little thing. But this time around, it was my niece. My sister organized the one that we did first time here.
Yeah.
But this time around, my niece and other cousins, Canada,
get together
here, in Florida, communicate and make it turn out to be awesome.
Yeah. And it's a good look.
No, I am from right here in St. Anne.
Okay.
St. Anne's Bay. Yeah, most of us are from this area, but we have a lot of family in Canada.
Okay.
Many of the family went away years ago. They offspring. You know, they still reside in Canada, and they. So we at one time I think we had one of the largest Jamaican families in Canada. So now some people come back home, and then.
Well, blessed love, guys, blessed love. So, guys, you know the thing is, man, it's my princess birthday night. You know, this is her birthday night, guys. So, you know, we're having a dinner. You know, so we're going to celebrate her birthday. We're gonna have a dinner. We're gonna have a blast. As you can see from the old video, you know, she's been having a lot of fun. I have to make sure I spoil my princess, you know, because, you know, these memories, you know, happen once in a lifetime because they grow up, you know, so you have to literally just you have to literally cherish these moments that we have step by step, because each moment, next moment will keep moving on, you know, so she's growing fast, you know, and it's nothing but love for my princess, you know. I say we're here, I'm doing a lot of work, so this moment for me and her, trust me, it's nothing but love and love alone. You ready?
Yes.
Guys, she said she's ready, you know. She said she's ready. You ready?
Yes.
Alright then, so coming outside. Alright, so oh, you're gonna see her. So let me put on my shoes. Well, guys. Well, so
We here. And we here with the birthday princess over there. And we have the cousins them around here. You have Jada and Jamie. That's Jada there. And we have Jamie around there. You know, so everything is all family related right there. So we just left out the house, and I guess the princess is ready. You ready? Because it's pure snap, you know, pure snap. You know, the thing goes already. They snap till the phone run out of data. You know, and space, no such evil space left back. You know, so, you know, when you come on to time with the ladies, you know, so Diamond here running late. So let me go in so quickly, so they can go and do the snap. While I just stop here quickly, and I'll go and snap. Okay, so yeah, so you don't think that we're gonna get to you when we get there, so you're gonna see her. So happy birthday, guys, to my dim, you know. Send some birthday wishes. Aye. You remember the good thing like, I don't know what that. Big 19. Guys, so
No man, dim.
guys, you see the family here? You see? The birthday princess. We have Jada there. And we have Jamie. You know, so it's all in the family. All in the family. So it's Diamond Pay's special night tonight. You know, the thing was, guys, so we're cherishing this moment. So we're here having the birthday dinner at Fusion. Oh.
Right, that go.
Good night. Hello.
It's Diamond Pay's night.
Yes.
Hi, Dime. How are you?
We have Ty over there.
Yes. And Nene.
Diamond Pay's mom. Hello, Nene. Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.